We're going to learn a new strumming technique now. This is one of my favorites. It's called the pick strum technique. So what is it? All right, demonstrate it over a G chord, and then I'll show you on each chord which one you pick and strum. But on the G, you pick the top string, strum the bottom 5. Top string, bottom 5. Pick, strum, pick, strum. For the yellow, you pick the top string and bottom 5 again. Top string, bottom 5. Pick, strum, pick, strum. For the green, the C, you pick the 5th string and strum the bottom 4. Pick, strum, pick, strum. For the D, the red, you pick the 4th string and strum the bottom 3. All right? So we'll demonstrate the 3/4 waltz time pick strum first, and we'll be using G, the blue, E minor, the yellow, green, the C, and red, D. 1, 2, 3. Pick, strum, strum, pick, strum, pick, strum, strum, pick, pick, strum, strum, 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 pick, and stop. Very good. All right, now we're going to demonstrate the pick strum technique over 4/4 timing. We're at 100 beats per minute. We will be using the progression of blue, yellow, green, and red. We'll go through this pattern 2 times. Here we go, starting my metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick, strum, pick, strum, pick, strum. Green, pick, strum, 5, strum, 5, strum. Red, pick, strum. Yellow, 6, strum. Green, 5. Red, stop. Very good.